Welcome the students in science class. Class 6, Unit 9, Matter. Topics: Matter, Physical properties of matter, States of matter, Change in states of matter, Element, Compound, Mixture. Matter: anything which has mass and volume is called matter. Properties of matter. Two properties of matter are: A. It has mass. B. It has volume. States of matter. The three states of matter are: A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gas. Solid. The matter which has fixed shape and fixed volume is called solid. Its molecules are packed more. Example: wood, iron, plastic, etc. Liquid. The matter which has fixed volume but not fixed shape is called liquid. Its molecules are loose than solid. Example: water, kerosene, petrol, etc. Gas. The matter which has no fixed shape and no fixed volume is called gas. Its molecules are loose than liquid. Example: air, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Liquid changes into gas on heating. Because the intermolecular force of attraction decreases on heating, and intermolecular space between molecules increases. Ice changes into water on heating. Because the intermolecular space between molecules increases while matter is heated. Change in state of matter. Heating and cooling changes the states of matter. Melting. Solid changes into liquid on heating is called melting. Example: ice melts into water. Freezing. Liquid changes into solid on cooling is called freezing. Example: water freezes into ice. Evaporation. Liquid changes into gas on heating is called evaporation. Example: water changes into vapor. Condensation. Gas changes into liquid on cooling is called condensation. Example: vapor changes into water. Sublimation. The direct conversion of solid into gas on heating and gas into solid on cooling is called sublimation. Example: camphor, iodine, etc. Element. The pure matter which cannot be broken down into further simpler substances is called element. Example: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, etc. Compound. The substances formed by chemical combination of two or more elements in fixed proportion by weight is called compound. Example: water, carbon dioxide, glucose, etc. Mixture. The substance formed by mixing two or more than two substances in any ratio is called mixture. Example: salt water, air, sand water, etc.